If you're looking for a quick and easy way to send and receive money, you might be wondering if Poppy Bank uses Zelle. The answer is yes. Poppy Bank has partnered with Zelle to bring you a fast and secure way to transfer funds between accounts. What is Zelle? Zelle is a free peer-to-peer payment service that lets you send and receive money directly from your bank account to another person's bank account. It's a great way to pay friends and family for things like rent, groceries, or gifts. How to use Zelle with Poppy Bank? There are two ways to use Zelle with Poppy Bank. Online banking. Log into your Poppy Bank online banking account and click on the Zelle tab. From there, you can add recipients, send money, and view your transaction history. Mobile app. Download the Poppy Bank mobile app and log into your account. Tap on the Zelle icon and follow the prompts to add recipients, send money, and view your transaction history. Is Zelle safe? Yes, Zelle is a safe and secure way to send and receive money. Your transactions are protected by a number of security measures, including encryption and authentication. What are the benefits of using Zelle with Poppy Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Zelle with Poppy Bank. It's fast. You can send and receive money instantly. It's secure. Your transactions are protected by a number of security measures. It's easy to use. You can easily add recipients and send money from your online banking account or mobile app. It's free. There are no fees to use Zelle with Poppy Bank. So, does Poppy Bank use Zelle? Yes, Poppy Bank uses Zelle. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and easy way to send and receive money, Zelle is a great option. Poppy Bank is a great choice for anyone who wants a bank that offers Zelle. With Zelle, you can send and receive money quickly and securely from your bank account to another person's bank account. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a Poppy Bank account today and start using Zelle. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.